it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a cotton candy eye makeup tutorial for you all, and I am super excited to be doing this video because it is a really pretty eye look. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the tutorial. Alrighty, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Cashmere from the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, and I'm going to take just a teeny tiny bit of it onto this little crease brush, and then I'm just going to blend that out using this blending brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Extravaganza from the same Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, and I'm just again going to use this teeny tiny little crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that shade just a little bit below in my crease where we put the orange. Alrighty, going into the Sephora Beyond the Stars palette, I'm going to be using the dark purple shade on the outer half of my lid and a little bit into my crease. Alright, now I'm going to take the light tan shadow in the Sephora Beyond the Stars palette on this little flat brush, and I'm just going to apply just a little bit of it into the inner corner half of my lid. Alright, now comes the fun part, and that is the part where we add the blue. So for the blue shadow, I'm actually just going to be using this Maybelline Fairy Highlighter, and I'm just going to be taking the blue little strip right there and applying that to the middle half of my lid using this little flat brush. And then I'm just going to go back in to that purple from the Sephora palette again, just on the outer corner, just to help everything blend out a bit more better. Alright, using the same Maybelline Fairy Highlighter, I'm now just going to take the little yellow goldish strip right there, and I'm going to apply that shade with just a little sponge tip applicator, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner where we put that nude shadow, and to blend it out a little bit further into my little inner corner area, I'm just going to be using this little teeny tiny lip brush. So now I'm going to go curl my lashes and put on some mascara off camera, and then I will be back to put on some false lashes. Alrighty, for false eyelashes, I'm going to be using these that I got from the dollar store. I know that's a really weird place to be getting eyelashes from, but I really do like these lashes. They're really pretty and really dramatic. And I'm actually going to be using the Kiss Glue to apply these. And I love this eyelash glue. It's literally my new favorite because it has a brush applicator. And I'm also going to be using this little metal eyelash applicator to apply the false lashes to my eyes. Alright, now I'm going to use my Profusion base kit for bronzer, and I'm just going to be using the shade Sunlight Bronze in this little face kit. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Alright, now I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush in the shade Shy, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion blush brush. Alright, last but certainly not least for the face is highlighter, and for highlighter, I'm just going to be using this Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight, and this is just a really pretty and subtle and natural highlight because I don't want anything too intense since we've got such a crazy eye look going on, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So I'm just going to be using this Covergirl Exhibitionist lipstick in the shade Streaker, and this is just a really pretty cool toned nude lipstick. Again, it's going to be a nuded color on my lips, just like on my cheeks and everything, because we've got so much going on with the eyes that I really just don't want to overpower this makeup look too much. So that is why we are going with a nude lip color. Alright everyone, so that is this completed cotton candy eye makeup tutorial, and I really hope you all did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.